Understand your data distributed. So like why I am explaining this is why I am not going jumping to which is best is like you need to understand the step by step. Suppose you are doing some scientist work, you don't know what is the outcome. So generally what you will do? I want to ask you the what is distribution, and you can say you don't know anything. Then you will go for minimum like this range. Then you will understand, okay, I have failed here. So the range is not work. So I will go next. There is again one trapper. Again go next. Like that. So range will not work. So then you come to like deviation. We can say mean deviation. I can say mean deviation. So what is that mean deviation means? Suppose you have a value like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the mean. 3 is the mean. Now how each value is deviated from mean? How each value is deviated from mean, that is called mean deviation. How each and every value is deviated from you. Suppose there is a class of 10 members are there, only one person is getting like 90 marks. This first person is getting suppose 50 marks, second person is 60 marks, third person is 55, like fourth person is suppose 9 marks, fifth person is suppose 95. Now I am saying you will find the mean value, then how it is deviating. This 50% guy, how it is deviated from mean, how many marks he got less on the average. Okay, this is the person. Now this is the average, this is the value 1, this is the average 3. How much he is deviated? That is called 1 minus 3 is deviation, minus 2 points he got deviated. Now second person is what? 2 minus 3, how many points he deviated? Minus 1. Now average, this is no deviation, he is a good guy, no deviation. Now 4 minus 3 is 1, is more than 1. If 5 minus 3 is more than 2. So we can say these are called, we can say this is deviated by minus 2, this is deviated by minus 1, it is deviated by plus 1, it is deviated by plus 2. I can say this is called like, how can I say, suppose you have a sales. You have some sales is there. You have 5 stores are there. You have 5 stores. So one is Mumbai, and second is Pune, third is Hyderabad, fourth is Bangalore, and fifth is Chennai. You have 5 stores are there. Now your average income is every time is your average income is 1 lakh. Average income is 1 lakh. But from Mumbai you are getting 50k only. Okay. In Pune you are getting 75k. In Hyderabad you are getting 1 lakh. But in Bangalore your expectation more. You are expecting your average is 1 lakh, but you are expecting 2 lakh. In Chennai you are getting 3 lakh. Now you will calculate how much I am deviating. Now Mumbai is deviating how much value? 50k value is deviating. So 50k is less. I need to do something to calculate 1 lakh. Now 75k, 25k. Pune is 25k less. Hyderabad is okay. That means this is 2 lakh, 1 lakh is profit as expected, and here is 2 lakh is profit. So this is how deviation, your data is deviation like this, 50k, 25k, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, this your data is deviating across the cities. Now if you want to add this, so you can say this adds this, what is the value? What is the value? You are getting 0. Now you are getting the data distributed with the 0 value, but you are seeing the data distribution as a real wise. Or you can't see the data is distributing, but your math is saying 0. Your math is saying no distribution. So this is the drawback when you go for mean deviation. Even though your data is supporting, but your math calculation will not support to do the operation. Then you will fail. You will not go to further. Understood this? How deviation is failing? when you are adding, maybe you might get the 0. Okay, I am saying here I am getting the value to get 0, but you might get or might not get. Then what happens when you get the 0? That is the question. So we will not consider this thing. So mean deviation got failed. That is the second technique. So how many techniques we have seen? One is range. Second, deviation. Now you are saying, sir, I got -2 here, I got -1 here, I got +1, I got +2, that's why I am getting 0. Yes or no? So if I get -2 as 2, if I get -1 as 1, then 1 as 1 and 2 as 2, can I get 0? Then you will think like that. Here I am getting minus value, that's why I am getting 0. So I will not get minus value, then no problem. Then how can I convert -2 to 2? How can I convert negative value to positive value? Tell me what operation will work? -2 to 2, which operation will work? Yes, x is equal to -1, mod of x is equal to how much? 1. Converting? Mod of x is equal to how much? 1. So it is okay, good. But what is the problem here? Problem here. Tell me what is the problem? So I can say like 99% of students fail because they forget about their math background, like they forget about math and everything. Now if you go for mod x, the mod x will be like this. The mod x graph is this. That is called mod x graph. Like, tell me what is the graph of name of this? What is the name of this graph? Tell me what is the name? How it look like? Parabola. What is the formula of parabola? What is the formula of parabola? What is the formula of this? Y is equal to mx passing to 0. Y is equal to mx. This is mod x. And what is this? What is this? It will be quadratic form. Okay, when you don't know, you have to check like this, okay? When you don't know, this is suppose 0, this is 1, this is -1. Can I say? This is 2, this is -2. For -1, 1 is same value. For 2 and -2, same value. Like for 3 and -3, same value. So -1, 1 will get same value. -2, 2 will get same value. -3, 3 will get same value. -4, 4 will get same value. Okay. -1 square, 1 square. -2 square, 2 square. -3 square, 3 square. -4 square, 4 square only you will get same value. Other than that you will never get same value. How can you get for -4 value should be same as +4 when? If you square only you will get same value. -4 is what? 16. +4 is what? -3 how much? 16. 3 square how much? 16. So the formula of this is called x square. Y is equal to x square. That is called parabola. And this is called y is equal to mx or x you are saying. But whatever you give one value, the value will be equal. That's why you are saying y equal to x. And here if you see, you will get -1 also you will get +1. 1 also you will get +1. 2 also will get +2. -2 also +2. Is every step by it is increasing. Here also step by increasing. That's why here is x and here is mod x. But that is what? X square. If you forget these basics, you can't be a good data scientist. Okay, warning number 1. Okay. You have to know this. Otherwise, there are many implementations are coming. How can they are coming? Because everything is math only. This is very simple math, right? But we forget, that's it, simple. So that is X step. So what I am saying is, so mod X is a graph, could be like this, mod X is the graph. Then what is the problem of this? What is the problem of this? Then what is the problem of that? Tell me, what is the problem?
Deviations.
Not like that. Not like that. Any idea? What is the problem of this? Everyone has completed intermediate, right? MPC, math, physics, chemistry. Now that we have to deal with this, right? It could be not differentiable, not integrable. Differentiable and integrable. What is e power x of differentiation? Tell me. E power x of differentiation. It is always e power x only. If you differentiate this, you never get any value. E power x only. If you integrate, e power x only will come. Like that mod x also, it is this point will not a continuous point. It is a static point. It will not allow you to differentiate and it will not allow to integrate. Okay, y is equal to x square, dy by dx is equal to 2x. Y is equal to x square because it is a continuous point. It is integrable. But if you do mod x, always mod x only will come. You can't do anything with that. That means it is empty, like no road. You can't do anything with that math. So that's why it is failed. Now how many are failed? Tell me. How many we have done? How many are failed? First one is the range. Second one is what? Deviation. Third point is what? It is the mean deviation. You can say absolute mean deviation. Absolute mean deviation. I will ask you question now. Okay, listen carefully. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll make a formula. We'll make a formula. Now this is mean value, right? This is mean value. Mean is denoted like this x bar. Mean is denoted what? X bar. Now this is the first value x1. This is the second value x2. This third value x3. This is fourth value x4 and this is fifth value x5. So what I am doing applying what? Deviation. So first deviation is what? x1 minus x bar. Second deviation is what? x2 minus x bar. Third is what? x3 minus x bar. And fourth is what? x4 minus x bar and x5 minus x bar. And here you are getting what? Minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 2. Then what you are doing? Summation, right? You are doing summation, you are getting 0. That means I am adding is all these things. Plus, 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 plus. Right? Now we will make a formula like this. x1 minus x bar is 1 plus x2 minus x bar is 1 plus x3 minus x bar is 1 plus x4 minus x bar is 1 plus x5 minus x bar. What is same, what is repeating? Everything. What is same, what is repeating? Tell me, what is same, what is repeating? X bar is same, minus is same, x is same. What is changing? 1, 2, 3. Like yesterday we have done for loop. Whenever it is changing, what we have to apply one variable. So I can say xi minus x bar. You are doing what? Summation. Summation is this. So I is changing from where to where?
1 to 5.
So I equal to 1 to 5. This is the formula. Simple. You can make your own formulas like this. Say I did not say just like this. I said take an example. We made a formula. So you never forget like this. So xi minus x bar. This is for mean deviation formula. What is the formula? I equal to 1 to 5 xi minus x bar. Now what I am doing? I am doing what? Everything mod, right? For next, everything what I am doing? Mod, because I am changing these values. It is 1, it is 2, it is 0, it is 1, it is 2. Next, what could be the formula? Summation of I equal to 1 to 5 mod xi minus x bar. This is the formula. This is the formula. Now, first I said you take this, then I said it should be the value 0 because I am getting minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 2. Now you are saying, sir, I am getting minus 1, that's why I am getting 0. Now what we have done? We converted into positives. Plus 1, plus 2. That means we are trying to convert positive values. In that you given one suggestion, apply mod. So minus conversion to plus conversion, one possibility is what? Modulus. Can you give another possibilities? Square. I can square, I can convert it into negative to positive also. Yes or no? I can do minus square is plus minus negative to positive. So what should I do now with my formula? What is my formula? Tell me. What is my original formula? Summation I equal to 1 5 xi minus x bar. Now this formula, now what you are doing? Apply square. That's it. Apply square. Now this concept is called variance. And this is the boss. Variance. Okay. Now how we are getting variance understood, right? So this is the very important in statistics. The variance concept. So you will vary like this and you will get some variance, how your data is varying now. Now I will ask you a question. Sir, here I am getting like minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 2. If I square 1 minus square 1, 2 square is 4, 0, 1, 4 and total I am 9. I am getting my values are rising. What you will get? Your values are what? Increasing, right? Your original value is minus 2, but you are converting to how much? 4. Original value is 2, you are converting what? 4. You are increasing your values. You are increasing your values. Not only that, now there is a column called income column is there. You will get like 20k rupees, 30k rupees, like 40k rupees. Suppose you are applying a variance, you are squaring, then your units also will be square, like rupees square, rupees square, rupees square. Can anyone tell any exist of rupees square will exist? Like there is a weight column is there, you have 50 kg, 70 kg, 80 kg. If you apply variance concept, your kg is also increase, kg square, kg square, kg square. Your units also what? Squaring. Is kg square is there? No, right? So that is the drawback in variance. That is the drawback in variance. You are converting to positive, but the values are increasing, the units also squaring. So what we will do next? To avoid this. What we will do? We will take the same thing, I equal to 1 xi minus x bar whole square, then apply root. Kg square, root, square root cancel, kg remains. You are converting to positive, then applying square, then original values get back. but without negative sign. So and this concept is called what? Standard deviation. Standard deviation. So these are the two are very important whenever you deal with variance and standard deviation. And this is the logic behind. You need to don't buy out the formulas. Try to learn from scratch. Okay, you never forget like this if you remember this. Please note down the formulas. Please ask me if you have any doubts.
Sir, it should be divided by n because there are n samples.
Yeah, we will do that. So generally mean will be denoted with like mu or x bar. Okay, mu or x bar. Wherever this. And standard deviation is denoted with sigma. Standard deviation is denoted with sigma. Okay. So I can say variance formula. What is the variance formula? Like xi minus x bar whole square is what? Variance. And root over xi minus x bar whole square is what? Standard deviation. Okay. So if you see here, I am just applying root right. So I can say standard deviation is equal to root of variance. Root of variance. Or variance equal to what? Standard deviation square. So variance equal to sigma square. That's the denotation. Okay, mu standard deviation is equal to sigma and variance equal to sigma square. Now we have some empirical rule is there, like we can say 1 plus or minus 1 sigma, 1 plus or minus 2 sigma, or we can say like this. This is better. Instead of 1, I can take directly. Mu plus or minus 1 sigma, mu plus or minus 2 sigma, minus 3 sigma. So I can say this is called 68% and this is called 95% and this is 99%. So what does this mean? I will tell you. Okay, I tell you like this. In India, the petrol rates on an average is 100 rupees, and it is deviated by 2 rupees in the states. This is the statement. Okay, listen very carefully. In India, the petrol rates are on of average how much? 100 rupees. And in other states, how much it is deviating? 2 rupees. Now from this, mean value how much?
100.
Mean value how much? 100. And what is the standard deviation value? That is equal to 2. That is equal to 2. Now coming to the formula, 100 plus 1 into 2 plus or minus 1 into 2. Now what is the value? Tell me. 100 plus 2 is one thing, 100 minus 2 is another thing, right? What is 100 plus 2? 102. What is 100 minus 2? 98. So I can say 100 here and 98 here and 102 here. Now tell me other things. Mu plus or minus 2 sigma. Last. What is the value of mu plus or minus 2 sigma values? Tell me. What is mu plus or minus 2 sigma values? What is the mu value? Tell me what is the mu value? Okay, anywhere I displayed mu value in the board. Is there mu value on the board? Tell me the mu value on the board. Tell me loudly. What is the mu value? 100. Mu value how much? 100. What is sigma value? 2 into 2. So one is 100 plus 4 and one is 100 minus 4. 100 plus 4 how much? 104. 100 minus 4 how much? 96. So 96 here, 104 here. Now tell me mu plus or minus 3 sigma values. Tell me mu plus or minus 3 sigma values how much? 90? 94 to 106. So mu plus or minus 1 sigma how much percentage? 68 percentage. So that is 98 to 102. Your data covered, 68% of data is covered. 68. Where 98 to 102. How much data is covered? Things like entire data is 100%. In that 68% is covered between 98 to 102. And next, from here 96 to 104, how much percent of data is covered? 95. And from 94 to 106, how much data is covered? 99. That means in India, 68% of states, okay, 68% of states having petrol rates between 98 to 102. We don't know that, but the data is saying in India 68% of states having petrol rates between 98 to 102. Same way in India 95% of states having petrol rates between 96 to 104. 96 to 104. And at third, in India, 99% of states having petrol rates between 98 to 106. That means